Bakit importante yung sarili mo kaysa sa love life? Ayan, intriga na naman to. Yan, hello beautiful soul. Another day, another topic. So, bakit nga ba mas importante yung sarili mo kaysa sa love life? Ayan, so, lahat ha, gusto ko lang ha, disclaimer. Lahat ng mga open up ko, lahat ng mga sinasabi ko is based on my experience. Based on how I deal life on my own. And based on how I cope up with things na, alam mo yung lahat naman tayo beginner, lahat naman tayo mga newbie, di ba? And then things happen and we learn something from that. So sa akin, no, based sa mga relationship, family, friends, even with my husband, it is very important na lagi mong piliin yung sarili mo. So, maraming magsasabi na you say that because wala ka pang anak, no? Hindi pa kayo nagkakanak. But what I'm trying to add things here is that in the end of the day, wala ka kasing ibang kasama, ikaw lang. So in connection with what I have said the other day sa video ko, na importante alagaan mo yung sarili mo, importante na makapag-provide ka for yourself, for everything, in terms of health, in terms of financial, in terms of motivation, in terms of resilient. Importante kasi siya because wala kang ibang maasahan sarili mo. Yes, we have, don't misunderstood me, no? Sobrang daming tao sa paligid mo. It could be your family, it could be your husband, it could be your friends. But then again, in the end of the day, you are accountable. You are responsible for your own. So, kailangan, in everything you do, consider it na kaya mo ba siyang gawin? Alone or with others? So, maganda naman talaga maging independent, but wag naman yung sobra talaga, di ba? Kasi nakakasama din yun. So far naman, no, in my 31 years of existence, masasabi ko talaga na I have proved myself, not just to me, but also to my family, to my husband, and to my friends, na ako naman kasi yung klase ng tao na I really give what I could and what I have. Dati nga talagang ubos biyaya, but then again I realized that it is very important na kaya mo na bago ka pa magdagdag ng iba. So parang ano lang din yan, for example, ang dami mong sinasabi na ganito yung magandang gawin para pumayat ka, ganito yung magandang gawin para magkapera ka, ganito yung magandang gawin para maganda yung flow ng love life mo. But look at you, you don't even have that, diba? Easy say than doing it. So kaya ko sinasabi na mas piliin mo yung sarili mo kahit love life pa yan, kahit family pa yan. Kasi kaya mo nga ginagawa lahat ng ginagawa mo ngayon because you want to provide, not just for yourself but also to those around you na you care for them, diba? But then again, it will be very hard for you and for them kung yung kaya mong ibigay is pang 1 day lang, pang 1 month lang, pang 1 year lang, diba? It should be a lifestyle. It should be a lifetime, diba? And hindi lang naman kasi yan batayan para magmukha kang hero. Ginagawa mo siya because you also want to be proud of yourself. Kung wala mang kahit isa na proud sa'yo, at least be proud of yourself. You have yourself. And you're doing everything you can, hindi lang para makapag-provide, but as well as para maging inspirasyon ka din, 'di ba? Para maging role model ka, 'di ba? Kasi maganda yung ikaw yung klase ng kaibigan, asawa, anak, kapatid, auntie, 'di ba? Uncle na nakikita nila na yan yung gusto ko. Yan ang ilo-look up ko kasi hindi lang siya kasi sa salita. Ginagawa niya talaga. So ibig sabihin, before you talk, you must do the work. Or you can do it at the same time. Do the work at the same time. Talk. Yun lang, beautiful soul. Always choose yourself above everything else. Kasi pag wala ka, pag hindi mo na kaya, wala lang din. Useless lahat. Magtira ka, beautiful soul. Wag mong uubusin. Kasi pag naubos ka, ubus din ka lahat. So, make sure na you help yourself first. For you to be able to help others, help themselves as well. Para sabay-sabay kayo lahat umangat. And that's what you really called love with a long-term solution. Get blessed.